Jill's study time. Study time. Okay. I will ask you questions or kanang kuno nimo unsa ang akong ikuan ha tudlo ha kani siya sa mga fruits. You understand? Okay. What's this fruits?
Orange,
Orange,
strawberry,
berry,
watermelon, mango,
lemon,
papa,
pineapple.
pineapple,
This.
banana, apple.
Very good. Okay, next. This.
Go.
Next
D.
is animals.
Animals.
Animals. Okay, what's this animals?
Butterfly, bird, koala,
Wala kani ba kani?
bee,
B. Kana
koala,
hedgehog.
hedgehog,
Ay. Kaning.
kaning,
Ay sa paglihok ba? Kani
monkey,
monkey.
koala,
Kana.
giraffe, lion,
Kana
kangaroo.
kangaroo. Very good.
This,
Very good. Next the vehicles.
Kaniba,
Mana vehicles.
because,
Okay, what's this vehicles? Kani
helicopter.
helicopter kani.
Naitao diri sulod,
Kani
airplane,
airplane kani
motorcycle,
motorcycle.
bus,
Bus.
train,
Very good. This
jeep,
sheep.
helicopter,
Carriage.
garage,
Kani
car,
car. Red car. Okay, next is gunting. No, it's let's see.
is bicycle. This
Kani parts of the body. Parts of the body. Kani
face,
face.
eyes,
Kani
mouth,
mouth.
hands,
Hands.
mouth.
Mouth.
Sige, may oy.
Tooth. Hindi ni siya tooth.
Tooth,
Kani
ears,
ears.
nose,
Nose.
feet.
Feet. Or of
Dakuha.
duwa.
Mama, dakuha kay feet. Oy.
Dako kayo.
Oh.
Sige, di family. Yes, this family. Okay, kani grandpa.
Blood.
What's this?
Blood.
Dad.
Blood.
Kani
Brother.
very good.
Brother.
Sino siya nga brother?
Brother.
Younger.
Younger brother.
Very good. Kani
Grandpa.
grandma.
Grandma.
Kani
Mother.
mother.
Sister.
Sister. Kani
Younger sister.
Whoa, very good. So very good. Jilo is so very good. Okay. Goodbye na. Say goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye na.
Goodbye.